Introducing the brand new ThermOWeb Deco Foil Hot Foils. These new hot foils from ThermOWeb come in 19 different gorgeous colors, some with sparkly patterns, and they come in 15-foot rolls that are 5 inches wide. You may be wondering how these new hot foils differ from the previously released ThermOWeb Deco Foil Transfer Foils. The previously released Deco Foil Transfer Foils with a black label work with toner printed designs like the ThermOWeb card fronts and sheets and a laminator, or they can work with Deco Foil transfer gels and adhesives. The new ThermOWeb Deco Foil Hot Foils with the white label work with hot foiling systems that are used with hot foiling plates. To see how the new hot foils work, let's first use them to create a background. First, heat up your hot foiling system according to your system's manual. Then place a hot foil plate on your hot foiling system to heat up the plate. Cut a piece of ThermOWeb Deco Foil hot foil slightly larger than the paper you are foiling to foil an entire background. Once the plate is hot, according to the instructions of your system, place the foil with the color side down onto the plate and the paper on top of the silver side of the foil. Pull out the platform and place the hot foiling system's included plates on top of the paper. Then run that through your die cut machine with that sandwich using no additional platforms or plates. Once you run it through your die cut machine, reposition your platform, carefully place the hot foil plate aside to cool, and then peel and reveal the hot foil to see the gorgeous foiled background you created. Rather than simply throwing out that leftover foil, consider using it with a solid foil plate like this solid arch. Simply place the used foil down with the color side down onto the plate and the silver side facing up. Then place a piece of cardstock or paper on top. Place your plates down and run through your die cut machine. You will have transferred the reverse design of the foil onto your paper, getting 2 designs for 1 piece of foil and leaving no waste. For sentiments, cut your foil just slightly larger than the foil plate you're using. If you ever have trouble with foil pieces or cardstock shifting around as they run through your die cut machine, you can always use small pieces of ThermOWeb pixie tape at the top and bottom of the foil to hold it in place on the cardstock. Simply tape the foil with the color side up and the silver side facing down onto the cardstock. Then flip that whole piece over and place it down onto the foil plate on your platform. Add the plates and run through the die cut machine as normal. And when it comes out, carefully peel off the pixie tape and peel and reveal a gorgeous foiled sentiment. You can create foiled images with the Deco Foil Hot Foils and your foil plates in the same way we created backgrounds and sentiments. You can use these beautiful foiled backgrounds, sentiments, and images to create some incredible cards with awesome shine. The great thing about foil plates that come with coordinating dies is that you can combine them with ThermOWeb white foam squares to give your foiled elements dimension too. And of course, you can combine different colors of hot foils for the backgrounds, sentiments, and images that you use on your cards. If you want tons of stunning shine on all the elements of your cards, be sure to check out all 19 amazing colors of the new ThermOWeb Deco Foil Hot Foils for use with your hot foiling system and foil plates.